Welcome. If you want to transfer data from your Wiko Harry to other Android smartphone, and first you have to go for the Play Store, then download application name Cloned. Of course, on the second device that you are going to send data, you have to do the same. So let's go for the Play Store and get this up. I just did it, and right now I can open this application. Let's open also on our Wiko, and we have to accept all permissions that pops on our screen. So click allow and OK every time. Right now we have to click sender on our Wiko, tap set, click on the switcher, then just go back, click sender one more time, accept permission, and on the second smartphone click receiver, tap set, turn on location, then just go back and click receiver one more time. Click search again, click on this Harry icon, accept the request, and right now if you want to send all data from the Harry, you have to accept all these icons and click start. But it's only example, so I will go for the details right here, and I'm going to transfer maybe this to screenshots. Click start, OK, and as you can see, transfer is complete. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.